Hi everyone and welcome back to Codekru. So today we are going to see how we can execute the unit test cases while building a Maven project. Meanwhile, we have also written this article for you on our blog codekru.com, which also highlights the same points that we are going to discuss in this video. So please feel free to check it out whenever needed. With that said, let's move forward. So we are going to use the JUnit Jupyter dependency in our project to execute the unit test cases. So let's just copy the dependency from here and paste it in our project. Now we should be able to execute the unit test cases. So let's just create few unit test cases. Public void test1. Let's just print few commands only, which is executing test1, which indicates that the test case is executed, and annotate this test case with the test annotation. Let's just copy this test case, change the name of the test case. Let's create another class as well, app2 test. Let's just copy and paste the test case from this class and paste it in the new class. Change the test case name to 3 and 4. Similarly the commands. Okay, so now let's run the command maven install. This command will build the project. So here you can see both of the classes test cases were executed, test1, test2, test3 and test4, right? But there is a catch here. If you closely look at the name of the test classes, you will see that they both ends up with the test string, and this is intentional because Maven will only run those cases which ends with the test string. If you want to test it out, let's create another class. Let's keep the name class as apptest3 and copy the test cases again from the previous classes, paste it here, keep the test case name as 5 and 6, and now run the test class again. You will notice that 5 and 6 test cases were not executed because the class name was not ending with the test string. So how do we run the another test class here? So to facilitate that, we have to import one plugin, which is a surefire plugin, which gives us the flexibility to run all of the test cases or the selective test cases as well in that are present in our source test Java folder. So let's import that plugin. So here we can just copy the plugin from here and put it in our pom.xml file. Now we have to mention in the configurations of the plugin that we want to run all of the test classes inside source test Java folder. So we can just mention the configuration like this, and we want to include all of the classes inside source test Java folder. So this is a string for that. So this will run all the .java files inside the source test Java folder. So let's run the maven command again. Here you can see now, right, that 5 and 6 test cases were also executed along with the remaining one. Okay, but what if you only want to execute app test Java class, or you want to execute these two classes only? How can you achieve that functionality? Using the configuration only. So here I have mentioned that you have to run all classes. You can also mention a single class like app test.java class, and then just run the maven.install command again to build the project, and you can see here that only a single class was executed. And if you want to run the app2 test class as well, just mention it again, and now run the command, and you can see, right? But what if you only want to execute a single test case, not a single test class but only a single test case? How can you achieve that? For that, let's go to our project, and you can see this is the command to execute a single test method. So you can just mention the method name along with the class name, and it would run only a single test case. So let's just copy this thing, paste it here. So it will run only the test1 method from the app test class. So let's just execute it. So you can see here, right, that only a single test method were executed. So from here we can also conclude one thing, that whatever parameter we are going to give here, it will override the parameters that we are giving here. Okay. So this is it for our video. There are many other things that Surefire plugin gives us, but that's for some another video. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.